Can you stop your sound because I'm recording this video for my YouTube channel. So can you stop your song?
What?
Okay.
Speak English. More or less English.
So can you speak in English properly?
So,
Little.
you're from India?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah, next to India, Bangladesh and India have a border.
Bangladesh. Okay.
So where are you from? I couldn't understand.